not meant to be doing this. I'm going to do it anyway. So, if you look here, the Victorian Supreme Court ruling on the 25th of November 2011 clearly states, Judge Kay says that you guys have no right to have the right to remain silent. He arrested me for breaking of the record in rules. The only reason that I can be lawfully arrested is if I have committed an indictable crime.
Hello. Hello. I'm the sergeant here.
That's lovely. I'm talking to him.
Yeah.
He's actually managed to de-escalate this.
I understand that. I'm just going to explain the situation to you as it stands, okay?
Go for it.
There's two powers of arrest in Victoria. One of them is section 458 of the Crimes Act. Okay?
Right.
So that section provides a power of arrest for any offence under certain circumstances. No, let me
Sorry,
I'm
part of my medical
I know, and that's okay. And I just need you to understand. So, what that says is that if a person commits any offence, if they find them committing that offence, okay?
What is an offence? Please define to me what an offence is.
It's a breach of legislation. So it's a contravention of legislation.
I'm gonna. Sorry.
That's all right. That's right.
Or the whole gesture of this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just let me explain. Okay. So the law in Victoria is where there is an emergency declaration, and that's what's in place. The chief health officer can make. Well, this is what we're operating under. Okay. The chief health officer can make directions.
I do find it interesting that act was passed last year and it came into effect on the 18th of July.
That's not for me.
Expires on the 5th of November.
That's not for me to argue. Okay, I'm trying to explain to you so you understand what's happening.
Yep.
Right? So they can put certain conditions in place for people. Okay. If people don't comply with those conditions, it is an offence. It's a contravention.
It's not a crime.
It's a contravention.
It's not a crime.
No, just let me speak. It's a contravention of that legislation. So that is an offence under section 458, as I remember, where any person finds someone committing an offence. So they believe, on reasonable ground, that you've committed an offence against that act. You are then required by law to provide your name and address. Okay?
Okay, yep, keep going.
If you don't provide your name and address, that power now kicks in to arrest you to ensure your appearance at court.
The only issue that I have with everything that you've stated, well, there's two issues. So, for it to become an act of legislation, right, it has to be presented to Parliament 3 times. It has to go to a referendum to the people, such as myself, and we have to decide whether or not we're going to consent to that legislation or that act.
Well, that's your opinion. That's your opinion of the law. That's not necessarily how it works in Victoria. Okay.
I let you finish.
Yep.
So you're talking about legislation that hasn't been presented to Parliament 3 times. We, the people, haven't given our consent to act under it and have it enforced over us, and it has not been consented by the Queen. So that legislation, this is point 1, that legislation is fraudulent. It actually doesn't apply to me because it hasn't gone through the proper avenues to actually become
that's a matter of belief to yourself.
And an act.
Okay.
Then there's the other side of it.
Yep.
So that's the legislation. Now, okay, so legislation and acts can't apply to a living person. I'm a living woman.
Yep.
So legislation and acts only apply to dead people.
That's your personal belief.
Well,
Okay, that's not the belief that we work under. Okay,
It's
the law that I work under is very different to the law that you believe in. I'm not going to enter into an argument about what you believe the law is. That's a conversation between you and the judicial system. Okay, I've explained to you why you've been arrested today. All right. Do you have any further questions?
It was an illegal arrest.
Well, that's your opinion. I believe differently. Do you have any further questions?
No.
Okay. Well, you're free to go.
Thank you.
This lady here.
There you go.
Have you confirmed her item?
No. He's about to confirm it. You've got your...
Oh, I thought I got a vape back.
Well, you've got a medical exemption.
Yes.
So does she.
Yeah, and you...
Yes, I'm happy with her.
You're happy with her?
Thanks, Jenny, for what she's talking about.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Yep. Move on. Okay. Yep, okay.
Beautiful. You're good now.
Unfortunately, we will disagree in life.
You know what? We're all entitled to our opinions. It doesn't, take, I would like his business card and the other gentleman's business card. They need to identify themselves in writing to me, and they have not done that.
And they will do that?
I would like that now,
Do you have a
please.
calling card or a card?
I haven't got it. Have you got
Well, then
anything
that
to
means
write
that
on?
you're not in full uniform,
Well, it
which
does.
means you're actually
It
acting
actually
unlawfully.
does. No, it actually does mean it's in full uniform. But that's okay.
But he doesn't have it on him.
No,
We
we don't
get
have
provided with
really
business
business
cards.
cards.
You don't have
I'm not
business
quite
cards.
sure.
I can provide you with my name if you've got anything.
I'd
I
also
can
like
write
your
it
badge number too, please.
Yeah, you try to take my phone out of my hand, that's assault.
Yeah, because at that time...
And he
you were
assaulted me when he
No,
arrested
I
me.
was-
Okay, so once you are being arrested, you don't
No,
have to be...
because we
anything
haven't
more.
been charged.
I
It
wasn't
was
being
an illegal
aggressive,
arrest.
I just
Wasn't an
stood
illegal
here.
He needs to go away.
Right, so they asked you,
they're
have
still
you got
acting
any
within
lawful
their
reason,
powers.
and you didn't went
Well,
into the
they're not.
conversation
They're actually in
of the start,
breach
and you
of
just went
so
into the
many
conversation,
things.
which you always wanted to.
So many things.
Okay? So, think about it next time.
What? How's your day been anyway?
Not too bad.
Excellent. Is everyone being nice and respectful?
Yeah, right.
Brilliant.
I wish.
I will say, and I'm going to put this in context, my wrists are actually quite sore and red from the illegal restraint. Interesting, isn't it? So have you had many dissident people not wearing masks?
No, I don't
Oh,
think so.
where's my phone? Can I show you this? On the Department of Human Services website, so the one that these guys are acting under, it actually says, very much better.
What's my card?
Thank you. I have a medical condition that prevents me from wearing a mask. I do not need a medical certificate. I do not need to even state my reason. I don't need an exemption and I don't need a permit. This is your government telling me this, so I don't even need this.
Yeah, but
And
it's
this was
different.
published yesterday.
I don't know what that's from because
It's
not
from the
correct.
Department of Health and
Yeah.
Health Services. I've seen it on there.
Yeah, but that's not correct because the laws come out to say that you have to wear the mask, so there needs to be a reason. It's the same. Yeah, but it's the same with the bike helmet. So if we pull someone over and not wearing a bike helmet,
No, they've got
we have the power to stop them to query why they're not wearing a bike helmet. And if they say
That's
religious
where
reasons, medical
that's
reasons,
where that judge in 2011 said you don't have the power to stop.
yeah, but then anyone can say that. I could say, I've got a medical condition, so I'm not going to wear a mask. Or I'm not
But
going
is
to
there
wear
a
a
reason you're staring at me? I don't actually have to provide
Just staring at me.
I don't know what that's from, but there is.
It's actually on your government website. I've screenshot it because it's quicker to screenshot it than it is to.
So we're happy with their ID?
Yes.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah.
Have I got both their cards?
There you go. There you go. So you got their details?
I
Do you
do.
want my details?
Sure.
Alright, I'll go.
That would be nice. Oh, my alarm's about to go off. Take my medication. Can you help that?
You better take it.
I know. I don't think I've ever seen so many police in one spot. Oh, there we go.
And we have got a statement from the Bunnings staff
I don't care.
against what you have done
I haven't
today.
done anything wrong. He really likes to inflame situations,
Yeah.
doesn't he?
You've just
Really
But,
needs to work on
escalated.
his manner.
Is Bunnings what you in or not?
Well, yeah.
Yeah, they went into the Bunnings staff abusing the staff over there.
Excuse me, I was not abusing any staff member. I actually have it on
I
video.
have a statement here.
If
I
you
don't
go,
care.
if you go into any
She didn't.
shops or anything because they're private places, if they choose that they don't want to let people in for not wearing a mask,
You do
you have
understand
to.
that that's actually a breach of my human rights. It's actually
Well,
discrimination and it goes against my
But
constitutional
still,
rights as well.
they can. It sounds like they don't like this easy wearing that.
Oh, I get that, and I wouldn't give a stuff, but in today's circumstances with what's going on, I do give a stuff. Thank you very much. And so I've got no right, and I don't have to go around announcing to everybody what's wrong.
Thank you. Sorry for wasting your time. Not you guys.
So that they don't actually have the, and it is discrimination,
Well,
and I
yeah.
can have them charged.
Alright,
And that's what they need to be aware of as well.
Alright, we've got to shoot off to another.
No worries.
We'll-
Another dissident that's arguing with you. Thank you. Bye.